In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks Online. Properly setting up your sales tax is crucial for maintaining compliance with tax regulations and ensuring your business runs smoothly without any unexpected surprises come tax time. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you all set up and ready to go. To start off, we'll navigate to the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online. On the left panel, you'll see a variety of options. We're interested in the Taxes section. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the page where you can manage all things related to taxes within your QuickBooks account. Next, it's important to ensure QuickBooks has your accurate business address. This is where we'll begin. Enter your business address carefully, as this will determine the tax rates applicable to you based on your location. It's always a good idea to double-check this information to avoid any potential issues later on. Once you have your business address entered, the next step involves selecting the tax agencies relevant to your business. These agencies are typically state or local tax authorities that govern sales tax rates in your area. You'll find a list of these agencies within QuickBooks. Select the appropriate ones that apply to you. After selecting, it's a good time to review the tax rates they have listed. Make sure these rates match what is currently applicable to ensure accuracy in your transactions. With your business address set and agencies selected, the next action is to save these settings. Simply click on Save. This step is very important, as it ensures that all the information you've added is locked in and applied to your future transactions. Now that everything is set up, you're ready for the final step, applying the sales tax rate to your invoices. When creating an invoice within QuickBooks Online, you will now have the option to select from the tax rates you've just set up. Make sure to apply the correct rate to each invoice, reflecting the appropriate sales tax for your transactions. And that's it. With your sales tax now set up in QuickBooks Online, you're equipped to handle your financial transactions with precision and compliance. Keeping your tax rates up to date will help maintain smooth operations, so remember to revisit this setup anytime there are changes in either your address or the tax rates applied by local agencies. Following these steps will ensure you're accurately managing your sales tax obligations within QuickBooks, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!